Number 3 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. Get ready to bring your ideas to life with the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer, the ultimate tool for creating high-quality concept models at lightning-fast speeds. This 3D printer boasts a 25% larger build volume than its predecessor, allowing you to print more significant and better prototypes. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is equipped with a Smart Extruder Plus, resulting in over 160,000 hours of testing to ensure consistent and reliable performance. Using MakerBot PLA Material, you can produce superior quality prototypes that accurately reflect your vision. The MakerBot Replicator Plus features a range of intelligent technologies, including an LCD, onboard camera, and USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it incredibly easy to use. The new grip surface reduces warping and curling, ensuring your creations turn out precisely as intended. With the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer, you can unleash your creativity and explore a world of endless possibilities. The package includes everything you need to get started, including a spool of PLA, a flexible build plate, power, and USB cables. So if you want to purchase this amazing printer, check the link in the description box below. Number